Hello students, today we are going to start new topic halogen derivatives. Introduction. The parent family of organic compound is hydrocarbon. In last year we have studied that what is meant by hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the organic compounds containing carbon and hydrogen atom. In last year we have studied aliphatic hydrocarbons, that is alkane, alkene and alkynes, and aromatic hydrocarbons, that is aromatic compounds or benzene compounds. Now we are going to see what is meant by halogen derivatives. The compounds in which one or more than one hydrogen atom from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by one or more than one halogen atom are called as halogen derivatives. First we are going to see classification of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified mainly into two methods. First, on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. The halogen derivatives are classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. In haloalkanes, one or more than one hydrogen atom from alkane are replaced by one or more than one halogen atoms. For example, CH3CH2X, which is haloalkane. In haloalkenes, one or more than one hydrogen atom from alkenes are replaced by one or more than one halogen atoms. For example, CH2 double bond CHX. In haloalkynes, one or more than one hydrogen atom from alkynes are replaced by one or more than one halogen atoms. For example, CH triple bond CX. And last one is haloarenes, in which one or more than one hydrogen atom from benzene ring are replaced by one or more than one halogen atom. For example, C6H5X, where X is nothing but halogen atom. Either it is chlorine or bromine or iodine. Second classification on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the compound. Halogen derivatives are classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives or polyhalogen derivatives. First we are going to see monohalogen compounds or monohalogen derivatives. The compounds in which one hydrogen atom from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by one halogen atom. For example, CH3CH2X or C6H5X. Second, dihalogen compounds or dihalogen derivatives, in which two hydrogen atoms from aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by two halogen atoms. For example, CH3CHX2. This is geminal dihalide, in which two halogen atoms are attached to only one carbon atom. Second example is XCH2CH2X, in which two halogen atoms are attached to two adjacent carbon atom, which is example of bicinal dihalide. And third example is dihalogen arene, in which two halogen atoms are directly attached to benzene ring. Now trihalogen compounds or trihalogen derivatives, in which three hydrogen atoms from aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by three halogen atoms. The best example of aliphatic trihalogen derivative is haloforms, that is CHX3, in which three hydrogen atoms from methane are replaced by three halogen atoms chloroform or bromoform, that is CHCl3 or CHBr3. First example is given CH3CX3, which is the derivative of ethane, in which 3 hydrogen atoms from ethane are replaced by 3 halogen atoms. Second example is XCH2CHX2, and third example is trihaloarene, in which 3 hydrogen atoms from benzene ring are replaced by 3 halogen atoms. Now we are going to see the classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds are various types, in which first is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Alkyl halides are the derivatives of alkanes, in which 1 hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by 1 halogen atom. In alkyl halides or haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Alkyl halides may be primary or secondary or tertiary depending upon the substitution state of the carbon to which halogen atom is attached. First we are going to see primary alkyl halides. The alkyl halides in which halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. For example, RCH2X. Primary carbon atom is the carbon atom which is bonded to 2 hydrogen atom or 1 carbon atom. Example is RCH2X. Secondary alkyl halides. The alkyl halides in which halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom is one which is bonded to 1 hydrogen atom and to another carbon atom. For example, R2CHX, where R is a alkyl group. For example, CH3 2 times CHX. Third is tertiary alkyl halides. The alkyl halides in which halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom is the carbon atom which is bonded to 3 another carbon atoms. Example, R3CX or CH3 3 times CX, that is tertiary butyl halide. Allylic halides. The allylic halides are those in which halogen atom is bonded to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH2X, where X is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Then second, benzylic halides. In benzylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. Example, benzyl bromide C6H5CH2Br or C6H5CXCH3 2 times. Then next, vinylic halides. In vinylic halides, halogen atom is bonded to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkene. CH2 double bond CHX. Haloalkynes. When a halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkynes. CH triple bond CX. And last one is aryl halides or haloarenes. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. For example, halobenzene C6H5X. Now we are going to see nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives are named according to common name system and according to IUPAC nomenclature system. First we are going to see common names of alkyl halides. According to common name system, alkyl halides are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by halogen atom, that is alkyl halide. For example, CH3I is named as methyl iodide. C2H5Br is named as ethyl bromide. Second, according to IUPAC nomenclature system, alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes. Aryl halides are named as haloarenes in common as well as IUPAC system. For dihalogen derivatives of an arenes, prefix ortho, meta or para are used in common name system, but in IUPAC system the numerals 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 respectively are used. Common and IUPAC name of some halogen derivatives are given in table. Nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Now first example we are going to see CH2Cl2. This is dihalogen derivative. Common name of this compound is methylene dichloride. IUPAC name of this compound is dichloromethane. Second example CH3CH2Br. Ethyl bromide. IUPAC name is bromoethane. Third example CH3CHClCH3. Now here chlorine is bonded to second number carbon atom, which is secondary carbon atom. Therefore it is secondary propyl chloride or isopropyl chloride. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-chloropropane. Next example CH3 2 times CH CH2Br. This is isobutyl bromide. This isobutyl bromide is primary alkyl halide. IUPAC name of this compound is 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. Next example CH3 3 times CBr. This is tertiary butyl bromide. Here Br is attached to tertiary carbon atom which is bonded to 3 another carbon atom. Therefore it is tertiary butyl bromide. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Next one CH3 3 times CCH2Cl. This is neopentyl chloride. This neopentyl chloride is also primary alkyl halide. There are 5 carbon atoms in which chlorine is attached to primary carbon atom and this primary carbon atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. IUPAC name of this compound is 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. Next example CH2 double bond CHCl. This is vinyl chloride or 1-chloroethane. CH2 double bond CHCl. This is vinyl chloride or 1-chloroethene. Next example CH2 double bond CH2Br. This is allyl bromide 3-bromopropene. Next one is CH triple bond CCl, chloroacetylene or chloroethane. Next example C6H5CH2I. This is benzyl iodide or iodophenyl methane. Next example para-iodotoluene. We know the formula of toluene C6H5CH3, that is CH3 group is attached to benzene ring and at the para position of CH3 group there is iodine, therefore it is para-iodotoluene. IUPAC name of this compound is 1-iodo-4-methyl benzene or 4-iodotoluene. Last example meta-dichloropenzene. In this example benzene ring contains at 1 and 3 position 2 chlorine atom, therefore it is meta-dichloropenzene or 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Now we are going to see methods of preparation of alkyl halides. First, from alcohols. By using alcohols, alkyl halides can be prepared by using different compounds. In this method, hydroxyl group of an alcohol is replaced by halogen atom. The hydroxyl group may be replaced by halogen atom using halogen acids, that is HCl, HBr or HI, phosphorus halides, or by using thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. First we are going to prepare alkyl halides using alcohol and halogen acids or hydrogen halides, that is HX, that is HCl, HBr or HI. When alcohol reacts with hydrogen halide in different condition gives alkyl halides. The order of reactivity of alcohol with a given halo acid is 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree, which is more reactive than 1 degree alcohol. That is, tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol, which is more reactive than primary alcohol. The general reaction for this is ROH, that is alcohol, when it is treated with HX, that is hydrogen halide, gives RX, that is alkyl halide, plus H2O. In this reaction, hydroxy group is replaced by halogen atom. This is a simple substitution reaction. Now, by using this method, first we are going to prepare alkyl chlorides. When hydrogen chloride is treated with alcohol in presence of zinc chloride, gives alkyl chlorides. Primary and secondary alcohols are converted into alkyl chlorides by using hydrogen chloride and zinc chloride. But tertiary alcohols readily react with concentrated HCl in absence of zinc chloride to give or tertiary chlorides. General reaction for this is ROH plus HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives RCl plus H2O. Mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. Second, we are going to prepare alkyl bromides using alcohol and HBr. Constant boiling hydrobromic acid is used for preparing alkyl bromides. Primary alkyl bromides can also be prepared by reaction with NaBr and H2SO4. Here HBr is generated in C2 at the time of reaction. The general reaction for this is ROH, that is alcohol, when react with HBr in presence of NaBr and H2SO4, and when this reaction mixture is heated, use alkyl bromide, that is RBr plus H2O. Third, preparation of alkyl iodides by using alcohol and HI, that is hydrogen iodide. Good yield of alkyl iodide may be obtained by heating alcohol with sodium or potassium iodide in presence of 95% phosphoric acid. Here HI is generated in C2 at the time of reaction. The general reaction is ROH, that is alcohol, when it is treated with HI, that is hydroiodic acid, in presence of NaI and H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, gives Ri, that is alkyl iodide plus H2O. Now we are going to prepare alkyl halides using phosphorus halide and alcohol. An alkyl halide may be prepared by action of phosphorus halide on alcohol. That is, phosphorus halides are nothing but phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide. Phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide are usually generated in C2 at the time of reaction in the reaction mixture by the action of red phosphorus on bromine and iodine respectively. Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with alcohol to give alkyl chloride. The general reaction is 3ROH, that is alcohol, plus PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride, gives 3RCl, that is alkyl chloride, plus H3PO3, that is phosphoric acid. Second general reaction is ROH plus PCl5. PCl5 is nothing but phosphorus pentachloride, which gives RCl, that is alkyl chloride, plus SCl plus POCl3. For example, when methyl alcohol, that is CH3OH, 3 molecules of CH3OH plus PCl3, when it is heated, gives 3CH3Cl, that is 3 molecules of methyl chloride plus H3PO3. Second example, CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol, when it is treated with phosphorus pentabromide in presence of red phosphorus and bromine molecule, when this is heated, gives CH3CH2Br, that is ethyl bromide plus POBr3 plus HCl. Next, we are going to prepare alkyl chloride using thionyl chloride and alcohol. When thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, react with straight chain primary alcohol, gives alkyl chlorides. The byproducts obtained are gases. There is no need to put extra efforts for its separation. Therefore, this method is preferred for preparation of alkyl chloride. The general reaction is ROH plus SOCl2. When this is heated, use RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Now in this reaction, SO2 and HCl are in gaseous state and which evolved out and pure alkyl chloride is obtained. Therefore, this method is preferred for preparation of alkyl chloride and gives best yield of the product. Here we have completed first method for the preparation of alkyl halides. Now homework for you. Question number first. Write the structures and give IUPAC names of following compounds. First, isopropyl chloride. Second, tertiary butyl bromide. Third, vinyl chloride. And fourth, benzyl iodide. Question number 2. Give preparation of ethyl bromide and isopropyl iodide using suitable alcohol. Question number 3. How will you convert? First, ethanol into chloroethane using thionyl chloride. Second, N-propyl alcohol into N-propyl bromide using red phosphorus and bromine. Third, propane 1OL into 1-chloropropane using phosphorus trichloride. And 4 number, tertiary butyl alcohol into tertiary butyl bromide. Thank you.